Papa, why you forget inside everybody to do different things?
Hello, my name is Mizran. I am Kids Plaza Osaka, Japan. I would like to interview the guests. Hello, please tell me your name.
My name is Aya. My name is Erica. My name is Elena.
Hey, may I see your age, please? What is your age?
My age is 10. I am 9.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
I am 7.
McDonald's. Okay. What is your favorite animals?
Rabbit.
Okay, bye.